prepping to shut her down?
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah, it's on.
Can I make it with your video?
Yeah, you can make it in. I figured I'd take a second one.
I'm off for the next 2 days.
Oh no, that sucks. Alright, man. Later.
Alright, where are we heading now?
Oh, we're gonna go to Spruce.
Oh, cool. I think it's going on here.
It's pretty rough.
It was pretty beat up yesterday. And I mean, yes, of course you could ski on it, but it was.
Yeah, with the actually, wait, no, you can't ski it tomorrow because this lift is closed.
Oh, is it?
It's only weekends.
Oh, yeah.
So. So I think I might have rooted out the corrupted battery or whatever.
You said up top you'd had.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I personally have been wheeling on pins and needles all day to figure out which battery is the guilty party. So I'm glad that's my third. Although
Then you recharge. So
I appreciate a good twist as much as anyone. It turns out that this battery was not in fact the murderer or had accomplices.
Yeah.
Alright, I mean, I recorded 4 videos with it and they all did not come out. So, and it was making my GoPro look all weird. It was like changing the colors of the screen. The camera lens looked green.
Yeah, it didn't have enough power.
What are you talking about? No. It's just like corrupted or something. I don't know.
Corrupted.
If it had enough power, if it didn't have enough power, it wouldn't turn on. So.
J'accuse. C'est batterie.
Oui, j'accuse toi. Je t'accuse. Tu es le problème.
C'est batterie, pas de problème.
Oh oui, c'est batterie. J'espère. Did you ever take French?
Me?
No, Mom.
Yes, I did.
You're any good at it?
High school.
I thought you took French in college too.
Me? No.
Oh, really?
No.
Did Nick have to take French in college?
He did not. I took French in high school. My accent was not very good, but I understood a lot, and I like reading. Like I said, I could speak, but my accent wasn't very good. I was not good at writing.
Oh yeah, I know for the 11th honors French exam, they were in the room with us. They had to write an essay in French.
Well, so
That's just got
Nick
sucked.
Nick took,
Take AP or something?
yeah, because you're in honors 3 now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he didn't take honors 4, he just took AP.
I bet I could probably just go AP next year.
Yeah, it would be worth, I mean, Tucker will advise you what you should do. Because Tucker said to Nick, like, there's no point in taking,
Tucker?
he's one of the deans at school, he's also a French teacher, he's also
Not this Tucker.
a different Tucker. He's also,
Yeah. There's
he was a faculty brat from Deerfield, so Michael's known him since he was like 5.
There's a Tucker in my French class too. So there's
Yeah, many
our teacher Tucker and the kid in the class Tucker.